Welcome to the Crochet channel, the best place in the universe to learn crochet online. It's great you're here today because it's always a lovely day to crochet. If you like crochet or kittens, or you just want to help me out, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on your crochet channel videos. Yay! In this video, I will show you how to crochet the headband, and the material that I will use, this one, 4-ply milk cotton yarn, and this one, the hook number 4. So before we begin, we need to create a slip knot, like this. Insert the hook inside, yarn over, pull through, and then pull the tail. And if this is too long, maybe use the finger, pull back. Okay, make sure not too tight. And then we will start to crochet the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one we need to crochet the chain 80. Next, we will crochet 8 slip stitches. Insert into the second chain from hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep continuing this process until the end. So this one, after I have all finished 8 slip stitches, and then I will start the row 1 chain 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then I will insert to this double crochet, and then turn the work to be the row 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I will insert into the same stitch here, double crochet, and then chain 1, yarn over, and then crochet, double crochet, skip 1 stitch and crochet in the next stitch, double crochet, chain 1, and then also crochet, double crochet in the same stitch. This created the row 2. Turn the work will be the row 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then insert here in the same stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in this one, skip 1 and crochet into the double crochet. There you go, and then chain 1, skip 1 and crochet in the next one, chain 1, skip 1 and crochet in the next stitch, double crochet, chain 1, so we increase, double crochet in the same stitch. There you go. This created the row 3, and then the row 4, turn the work, also increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, crochet, double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, double crochet in the same double crochet in the next one. Don't forget to skip, chain 1, skip 1 and crochet in the next one, chain 1, skip 1 and crochet in the next one, double crochet, and then chain 1, skip 1 and crochet in the next, chain 1, skip and crochet in the next stitch. We will increase chain 1, double crochet in the same stitch at the end, and then the row 5, chain 1, 2, 3, 4. For the row 5, we will not increase, so we crochet normal. Skip one stitch and crochet in double crochet here, chain 1, skip one and crochet in the next one, chain 1, skip, double crochet, chain 1, skip, double crochet, chain 1, skip and double crochet, chain 1, skip and double crochet. And this one we will not increase, right? So chain 1, skip and double crochet. There you go. This created the row 5, and the row 6 we will keep repeating from the row 5. Chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. We not crochet here, we crochet this, skip one and crochet in the next one. So it will be straight. Keep continuing until the end. So this one I will continue to crochet until the row 37. And then next I will decrease. Chain 1, 2, 3. This is the row 38. And then I will crochet double crochet here, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and then this one we will decrease, double crochet and finish, skip one and crochet in the next one. Yarn over, pull it all through, so you can see this one decrease and decrease. Next, the row 39. Decrease again, 1, 2, 3, and then we will not crochet here, we crochet this, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So next we will decrease this one, this, double crochet and finish, and this part, pull all of it, decrease, turn the work. Next will be the row 40. 1, 2, 3, and then skip this and crochet in the next one, and then chain 1, double crochet in this, and we will decrease and finish this one, yarn over, pull all through, turn the work, chain 1, 2, 3, and then crochet double crochet in this point. There you go, this finished. And look at this. Next, I will add this point. This one crochet the chain 80. 1, 2, 3. Keep continuing. This one I have the chain 80. And then I will crochet 8 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3. Keep continuing until this one. So this one I have finished. And then I will cut the yarn off, pull through, and then weave in ends. Now I have finished with the hairband. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the Crochet channel for lots of exciting, easy, and best of all free crochet tutorial patterns which you can use to create your own crochet pieces. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Be kind to someone today, and keep smiling until the next video.